Hello, Queen Chic ladies. Today I want to do my cream. So as I want to do my cream, I want to show you a little secret about it. So my cream is in the market for 15 shops here in London, and a lot of people are using it. I'm using it and people like it. So now I'm promoting it in TikTok so that it will go more well and so that people will like it. I create this cream because I'm a Black African, and as a Black African I know how our skin works. So I want those who are using fair in complexion to know exactly what they are using, those who are not using to know how to employ vitamins in their body so that their body will not break down, because we say black don't crack. So these are what I use in my cream. I put a lot of herbals in my cream. So I want to show you now. I just received my package, see, from Amazon, all my order. So look at, so to create this cream we are seeing here, Golden Queen lotion. This is 500 ml, and this is the serum. This is the serum, Golden Queen serum. So that's the serum. I do everything. You will see how I do it if you continue following my video. This is my face cream. That's the face cream. It's anti-aging, without pimple and other things. So this is my soap, Golden Queen soap. That's the ones in the market. Look at it. I even take a time to put gold in the papaya, the seed of the papaya. I put gold on it so that the anti-exfoliant, you are anti-flowing your body with gold, exfoliating your body with gold. You understand what I mean? To give you that radiance. As a black, you need to be shining like a gold, because you are. So, and so how I do this cream. So to start with, I show you. Look at, these are the teas, the herbs I use to infuse my cream. Look at it. All these herbs, I use it. It's a tea, sure, but then it's the herbs for me to fuse my cream. So I don't want to mention the name. I want you to watch it. So if you have any questions, comment below. Then I can know you have watched it, and then I can give you some idea how what to do. So now I received this badge from Amazon. So I'm using this. This is citra crystal. Is made from lime. So that's a lime, and this is my night cinnamon. So I use in doing, and this is licorice as extra. You know it. So I use it to do, which is natural, and this is colored powder, which is in a cosmetic language we call it celestine. So this is colored. So these are the things I'm going to use to do today. Not only I'm going to do few some batch of cream, because I have some order. I have to do at least 20 serum, 20 body cream as well, and face cream, 25 face cream. So because that's the order I received, so I just want to give you idea what I use to do my cream. So, and I'm going to do some syrup like this. This is special because some people, they order it, you use it only in the night. So I have not put this in the market yet. So it's a serum I do that people order it. So I have about 20 orders. So I'm going to do about 40, because more I have order, I do more because people buy it more. So that's it. So this is what I'm going to do today. So when I finish it, you will see the result. Take care. Bye. In my another video, go so that you see how I'm doing it. Bye.